A propane heater's safety circuit includes extra pressure and fuel sensing layers that change how the appliance detects and responds to unsafe conditions. Propane systems operate at higher delivery pressures and can be stored under pressure in portable cylinders. So, manufacturers commonly add low-pressure gas, safety switches, and thermal sensors that sit in series with the main valve. These switches monitor for drops in supply pressure that could indicate a leak or an empty cylinder, and they will prevent the pilot or burners from lighting when conditions are outside safe thresholds. Installers should verify the switch set points and wiring continuity during commissioning by using a calibrated manometer and a handheld continuity tester, and then simulate low-pressure conditions to confirm shutoff. When servicing, always isolate the cylinder or supply, bleed the line, and replace any safety switch that fails continuity or shows intermittent operation. Do not attempt to bypass it even for troubleshooting. Keep fittings clean and free of corrosion because small leaks or resistance at a sensor can produce false trips and intermittent operation. Document the safety device locations and wiring in the equipment log so future technicians know the extra layers specific to propane systems. Common mistakes include assuming natural gas and propane circuits are interchangeable, which can lead to installing a valve or regulator with the wrong pressure rating. Use only components specified for the fuel and check stamped ratings before connection. A second issue is bypassing or temporarily bridging safety switches during troubleshooting, which creates a dangerous condition. Always use proper test procedures that leave protective devices in place or use manufacturer-approved diagnostic modes. Third, technicians sometimes neglect routine functional tests after replacing a regulator or cylinder, which allows a faulty low-pressure switch to go unnoticed. Always perform a full sequence functional test that includes simulated low pressure and flame failure conditions so the system proves out. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for fuel system work and to help contractors find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, ask technical questions, and compare installation and safety practices.